front of all of you, I'm going to talk about periodic table. I'm going to start. So Mahak, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. So I'm going to restart the timer. So let's start.
S block in groups: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. P block: boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. D block: scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, ytterbium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury, actinium, rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, borium, hafnium, meltenium, dunsteditium, rhodesium, copernicium, 113, tritium, 114, quardium, 115, pentium, 116, hexium, 117, heptium, 118, octium. F block: lanthanides: cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium, actinides: thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, instinium, famnium, mendelium, nobelium, lawrencium.
So finally
Thank
I'm
you.
going to show result. In front of students. So you all can see Mahak explain whole period table in 1 minute 5.98 seconds. I think it is fastest one. Fastest one not only in my coaching, I think it is fastest in MP also. Okay, so best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I am. Raj. Raj and Mahak, Yogesh, Shreyans, Sandeep, Pramod done effort according to their strength. But in all of you, Mahak led the competition. So I have something special for Mahak. Ball pen and one scale. Correct, Mahak. आप लोगों ये वीडियो हम जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं शाम तक अपलोड कर देंगे।